So this shows how to do the buttons inside the inventory. So you open the inventory and then there's several buttons right in the middle. This is button 1, button 2, button 3, etc. The first 3 buttons you will just hide from UI, which hides it from the radio menu. The first button is display on inventory UI and then hide from UI, as well as the second one is display on inventory UI secondary and then hide from UI and then hide from UI. They'll all have hide from UI. That just makes them not appear on the radio. So I'll stop saying that. And then the third one is UI teach area, and then 4 through 6 are different. So you'll hide them from the UI, and then you'll go down here, and then for 4 you'll set additional button index to 0, and then 5 is set to 1, and 6 is 2. 6 is the max amount of buttons that you can have inside of an inventory UI. And there are different styles. If you want to reference that, you can look at the egg incubator. I had trouble loading it, but it does have different styles of buttons if you wanted to see which indexes look like what. But again, I had trouble loading it, so I didn't include it in this tutorial. And we'll see what those buttons look like here in just a second as well.